Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only Google spreadsheet from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to want to open up the view-only Google spreadsheet. And if you go to File, you won't be able to make a copy, you can't download it, and you can't print it. With this technique, you're going to be able to download a local copy, and the owner, or whoever uploaded the Google spreadsheet, isn't going to know unless you tell them. So the first step is you're going to want to go up to the URL, and you're going to notice a /edit, then some other characters at the end. I want you to drag and select everything after the final slash. So it'll be edit and then the other characters. Then press the delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard. Then I want you to type, after the final slash, htmlview. Then press the enter key. And this is going to give you a HTML view of the spreadsheet. And at the bottom you can see the tabs are there. So all of the data and all of the tabs do exist. And the next step is we're going to now want to download this web page. So right click somewhere and then click on Save As. And you can give your file a name if you want to, but make sure it ends with .html. And for the Save As type, it needs to be webpage complete HTML. If it's not that, click on the drop down box and then select webpage complete HTML. If you don't do this, the web page will be broken, so make sure it's webpage complete HTML. Then click Save. So now you can click on the download pop-up or click on Show in Folder. And then in the Windows File Explorer, you can double click on it to open it up, or you can right click, then go to Open With, then a web browser of your choice. I'll pick Google Chrome. Now this is going to look a little bit weird. However, at the bottom, we still have the buttons that can switch tabs. And if we do that, we're able to switch through all of the different sheets in the spreadsheet. Now up here it looks a bit weird, and these buttons here aren't going to work, but down here they will, and you can switch through and look at all of your data. And that's so you can make a local copy of the data from a view-only Google spreadsheet on Google Drive in 2026. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.